I've been exploring Bytes credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of Bytes credit card. Bytes credit card is a UK-based credit building service designed to help people improve their credit scores in a simple and straightforward way. Unlike traditional credit cards, Bytes isn't really about borrowing money for everyday spending. Instead, it works as a digital store card combined with a credit builder subscription. The main goal is to help you build a positive credit history by reporting your monthly subscription payments as regular credit payments to the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. When it comes to features, Bytes operates through a monthly subscription model starting at around £6 per month. Each payment you make is treated like paying down a credit balance in full, which builds your creditworthiness over time. There's no physical card. The entire service is managed through the Bytes mobile app. You get access to the Bytes store, an in-app store with a curated selection of electronics and consumer goods, where you can purchase items using your store credit limit, which is proportional to 12 times your monthly subscription. Payments are split into 2 installments. You pay half upfront and the rest over your monthly subscription payments. Bytes also offers educational resources through the Bytes School of Credit and tools like a simulator to help you understand credit building better. They even support rent reporting to boost your credit file further. More importantly, Bytes charges no interest, no late fees, and no hard credit checks, making it a low-risk way to improve credit. Customer support is accessible through the app and email, providing help whenever you need it. On the downside, Bytes isn't a traditional credit card you can use everywhere. It can only be used within the Bytes store, so your spending options are limited. The monthly subscription fee is non-refundable and doesn't get returned to you when you cancel, so you need to commit to paying consistently. Because it's a digital store card rather than a credit line for general spending, you won't build credit through everyday purchases elsewhere, which might feel restrictive. Also, users need to stay disciplined, as missed payments could negatively affect their credit score. Lastly, since Bytes is not a regulated credit product, it doesn't come with protections such as Section 75 on purchases, which some traditional cards offer. From my personal experience reviewing Bytes, I found it to be a unique and practical tool if your primary goal is to build or rebuild credit without the risks of overspending or going into debt. The app is straightforward to use, and I appreciated having clear visibility on my payment schedule, credit limit, and progress in one place. Although I missed having a physical card for everyday spending, the focus on responsible, reported payments made it easier to stay on track. The educational content was helpful for understanding credit better, which added value beyond just a credit-building product. All in all, if you're someone who struggles to get approved for traditional credit cards and wants a low-friction way to start improving your credit report, Bytes is definitely worth considering. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.